Today we're going to practice writing the letter F. Repeat after me. F, fun, F. Awesome. We are going to start at the skyline again today. So we're going to follow this little arrow here. And it looks like we need to make a little curve and then go down to the grass line. After we do that, we need to cross the letter F. So again, start up at the skyline, curve around down to the grass line, and fly across the plane line. So practice that with each of the gray letter F's for you to trace. When you're done with that, we're going to move on to our next line. Right under that, we have just a dot, but it has a little arrow pointing this way. Okay, that tells us we need to start our curve going down to the grass line and then cross the plane line. Down to the grass line, cross the plane line. You're going to do that for each of these. When you're done with that, you have a blank line to write your letter F's on your own using your very neatest handwriting. So we'll start at the skyline again and we'll curve around down to the grass line, fly across the plane line. Oh, I can do better than that. Let me take my time here. Skyline down to grass line, fly across the plane line. I'm going to do this at least 7 times, maybe 8 if I can fit it. But I do want to use my neatest handwriting. Then I'm going to circle the letter F that I thought I did the best on. I like this one. My line across the plane line got a little squiggly. I could do better, but I'm pretty proud of that. Okay, repeat after me again. F, fun, F. Nice job. On the next page, you're going to write the letter F to complete each word, and then you're going to read it. I'm just going to show you the first one. So it has the arrow at the top again to show me which way to go. So I plugged in the letter F, and I know that letter says F, and I have F, I, Sh, SH together. That's a digraph. I'm going to underline it to show my teacher, look what I learned. Ish, fish. Do the same with each of these. Don't forget to read the word after you add the letter F. Then, just like our first page, we have some letter F's to trace. You should be experts by now. So you're going to trace all of these across the top line. When you're done with those, we're going to start at the dot already. That's already there for you. And we're going to go around to the grass line, cross the plane line. Same thing with the rest. You know what to do on that part. Then, my favorite part of these, we're going to trace the sentence and then write it. So I'm going to trace 5, F-I-V-E spells 5, F-I-S-H, 5 fish, S-W-I-M, period. 5 fish swim is my sentence. Underneath that, I have a blank line where I get to show what I've been working on. 5 fish, my neatest handwriting, swim, period. And then you are done with the letter F. Do your best and have fun.